that's interesting.
Uh-oh. Something just broke. That's why you need to stay driver, brother. What's up, guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video, guys, and thanks for watching. The Rex, the ZR2, and the Power Wagon. 3 of the baddest machines, the baddest trucks you can possibly get. All 3 of them right next to each other. We got a real treat today, guys. We've got the Ram Power Wagon on 38s, and this is Mr. Red Beast Wagon Adventures. And we've got the ZR2 Silverado. He is, I believe, on stock 35, so he's got a little bit of a tire disadvantage. And then the almighty Rex, also on 38s, and everyone is armored to the gills. Here we go, starting G14, the road to Emmaus. Sponsored by Jeepin' for Jesus. Hopefully Jesus is with us to save our axles. Well, the road to Emmaus has led to a lot of fun here. I don't know which line we're gonna take, but this definitely looks pretty gnarly here. The dyno's hurting cowboy right now. But the seal saver is somehow keeping most of the grease in there. Truly incredible, we're still rolling through all this. You guys ever notice anything common amongst all of our dyno truck videos? Driva waterproof seat covers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh my goodness.
Can I do it for 3 seconds?
You do it for 2 seconds.
No, 3.
No, 1.
2.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
One.
Okay. Now I have water in here. Really? All right, let's see.
Abra.
Oh, no way. Don't care for the look? No problem. Flip them over until you need them. Or take your time, roll them up, stuff them underneath your headrest. Or roll it up and fold it into your door pocket. Because someday, you're gonna need them. Like when you're off-roading or mudding your rig. Jesus. Or your dog decides to jump in the lake. Oh my God. Or you get randomly pied in the face. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that was, woo! Or when you get hosed. Wow, it tastes so bad. This tastes so bad. Wow. And flowers. So bad, okay? Okay, you get the picture. Someday you're gonna need them. Save your seats with what's in there. You want to blow more flour at me? All right, blow more flour at me then. All right, good. If I get down. Driver, I don't even know if I'm talking. My eyes are shut. Get it.
Well, that's interesting.
Or when it's monsooning at the beach and everyone in the truck is soaked. Drive a waterproof seat covers.
That's pretty good off camber right there. It's good so far.
You're fully planted currently. This is going to be the fun part.
I don't hang tires, bro. The dinosaur doesn't hang tires.
I beg to differ. I've seen it happen.
No way, really? Oh, at Bear Wallow. At Bear Wallow, yeah, yeah.
Well, ride your rails.
Well, yeah, he's flexed out pretty good in the back. Nice.
Drop about a foot. You feel good about that? Where you're pitched? You know your truck better than me.
Foot.
Yeah, he got no choice, man. He's got to go.
Yeah.
There's no going back to this way.
Oh, sure, yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Hang it slow.
Yeah, he's clear in the back.
Climbing a rock and you're going to ride it on down.
that's a lot of work, man. Nice job.
That was like a well-executed surgery, bro. Subscribe for more of this. All right, ZR2 coming down a bit of a different line than us. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Something just broke.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're gonna have to, I don't know if you can back up some. You might want to back up. Oh shit. You might want to back up some. That didn't sound, I mean, you might be good right now. I don't know, man. I would back up some. Is that, did you pop your, hopefully not. Hang on, man. Yeah, okay. Ouch.
Sounds like something just broke, man. Why would he go without us coming back up there? Why would he go without us coming back up there? He's found himself in a predicament.
Other than you see a nice little stuff there.
He lost the driver CV here. Second one.
Well,
Oh man.
I mean, he can turn his wheel and he can go across that rock right there. That tree's not there.
Jeez.
That tree's not there, you can go across it. You can't back up.
All right, so we've got a line here. We're gonna try and pivot Ali over passenger enough to bypass this tree. All right, so neutral, yeah, but with the brakes on like hard. You don't want to roll. You just want to slide, you know, but you don't want to be in gear because then you're, you know what I'm saying? So give it a little and let's see what it looks like, okay?
Maybe pull the wheel just a little faster.
Yeah, I mean, you can try and turn your wheels a little, passenger.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Yeah, that's probably good right there. We're
Yeah.
gonna turn it a little bit more in a second once you start to win. Yeah, go a little more passenger.
Don't let off the brakes though. How's he looking? How's he looking? How's he looking?
Looks good.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're clear. Yeah. Okay, so you can slowly let off the brakes a little bit, just a little. How's he looking on the other side?
Very good.
All right, you're hanging a tire. You're hanging a tire. Okay, stop for a second. Let me look.
It's gonna come off. It'll be fine.
Yeah, I just want to see what his passenger. Just 1 sec, okay? Yeah, I know. Okay. All right, you can let it roll now. All right, you're down. No. Yeah, let it out.
AV's a pretty good bike.
That's that super steel. What is it called? That boron, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's okay. Goodness gracious. And after all this, I might just take the bypass. I'll take it quicker.
No, let's do fun run, man.
Right. You're getting a little tired.
Nice and slow, man.
I think you want to get a little straighter on your front though. Yeah. Pulling on that arm.
Yeah.
There you go, you're straight. All right.
Easy peasy. Just roll.
All right, maybe you should come passenger a little bit so he brings, yeah, just go past, yeah, go passenger a little bit.
There.
You're about to come down about 8 inches. Nice and easy. Oh,
We're just moving right.
Alright. That's enough to hit the bumper.
nice.
All right, the next problem is this rock right here.
Woo, doggy.
Yeah.
You got a rock over there, but you should be fine. You might, I don't know if you want to go to the right.
What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. All right, so here is Bert and Ernie, and he's gonna go the far right line that has been heavily modified by Datum with the sunshine. Look at that sunshine. Look at here. Look at me.
Whole fuel tank, front and back. At the Save Expo, with this bit. Something like this, and I just filled my whole back and down and back in place and down a little bit. This thing goes up. Is it barely hanging on? I'm sure it took some rigidity out of it when I was
He wants to put his passenger tire at the edge of that boulder.
Okay. Are you going to climb this boulder? That's your intentions?
Maybe so. Whenever I get down there, we're going to see what it looks like.
Okay, you need to come back driver for a minute then. Yep. No, driver. Driver.
So I need to go back to the right.
You're going to touch your sidewall on that jagged rock if you do.
He wants to. I think he wants to go up it.
Close I am over on the passenger side.
What do you say?
Come again?
So I am over on the passenger front.
Yeah, you're side by side with this jagged rock sticking out right on your sidewall there. I'm trying to keep you off of, unless you're trying to back up and climb over it altogether.
What about turning on it and climbing it to the right?
He's back up.
Then you need to back up 2 feet. Right there.
Yeah.
Yep. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. Lock. Yep. Slowly. Yep. You're climbing. Let me come to this side. Alright, you're about to slider, but you're good. Yep, keep climbing. Rear end's climbing now. Alright, slowly start using driver, but slowly. He wants to climb over the middle of this, right?
No, he wants to
Right over.
put it on the very far edge of that. Yeah.
So am I up on that big rock?
You're not on the big rock you're thinking of. You're on a rock, but you need to come back to driver if you want to aim.
Yep.
You're not on the big rock you're thinking of. You're on a rock, but you need to come back to driver if you want to aim towards your initial line choice rock. The big rock is, I'm in the middle of it here. If you go too far this way, you're going to drag your diff clean over it.
Oh.
The big rock you want to climb is right in front of you.
Oh shit! Yeah, I need to come. What I want to do is I want my tire right here.
Right.
That's what I told him, yeah. That's
Okay.
where he was taking you.
I said driver.
Okay.
Driver.
That's a cool shot, man. Good picture. Check the back wheel. You're,
Yeah, I need to come over quite a bit because I really like to be here.
yeah.
And I want to be over here.
Right.
Yep.
That's where I want to be.
Right, driver, yes.
So I may have to back up a little bit. I'll see if I can. I'll come forward a little bit, and then what I want to do is I want to hit that tire over there and this one over here.
Yeah, you're solid, didn't you? I think you got it. Because you don't, look at your back tire. You don't want to back up too much. Look at your back passenger.
Oh, so off angle. Okay. Shit, I didn't want to climb that rock.
That's why you need to stay driver, brother.
That's all right. I'll come off this rock in a minute. I'll be on the road.
I'm trying to get you there.
Damn, that's a hell of a shot back there, though.
Yep.
I already want to.
Yeah, dude, me too. And something hot, dude. Those burgers. Where'd you leave them to thaw out?
I thought them earlier and I put them in a
Solid.
cooler now, yeah.
Solid.
I thought them out there in the cooler.
Oh, that's gonna taste so good, dude. I got some Colby cheese too.
I got a mayor.
You got mayo?
American.
Oh, okay. We're almost out of here, guys.
I hope my wife's not trying to call me. My phone's in the truck. Need the seatbelt. You only need the seatbelt if you're rolling.
Yeah, I'm not going to roll.
Alright, so now that we're on the same page, driver, right there. Yep. You are in a straight line right to where you wanted to be. You've got 1 foot before your drop on your passenger side front. You've got 1 foot before your drop on your passenger side front. And you have drop. Rear is 3 feet from it.
Man, that truck's got mad clearance there, huh?
Oh, geez, yeah.
Ooh! There's the hoop. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to post a comment about who you think did the best and why, and which rig you would buy if you could buy any of these 3 rigs to take on your next off-road adventure. And be sure to stick around, guys. We've got quite a few videos coming out from our Hot Springs off-road adventure trip, where we did all 4 of the Jeep Badge of Honor trails, as well as a couple harder trails, 3 and 4 diamond, that definitely tested our angles as well as our body panels. So be sure to stick around and watch out for those.